look at our volcano!
Hooray!
Here, look at our volcano!
You make it with and paper and box.
Yeah, tell your friends how you did it.
Make with paper.
Yeah, you put newspaper and you put glue. Did it take you a long time?
Yeah.
Do you want to paint it?
Yes.
Hooray!
Okay, what colors do you want to paint the volcano?
Rainbow.
You want to paint the rainbow? Whoa! What color is that?
Black.
That color is black. Do you want to put it onto our palette?
Yes.
Put it on. What color is that?
Brown color.
It's brown. Okay, do you want to get another color?
Yes.
Hooray!
What color do you want?
I want white.
No, white. Okay. Squirt it on.
And this white color.
Yeah, it's white. Yay! Bravo!
We will put orange later.
Okay.
It does smell. Of course.
Red! It's such a pretty color! Yay! Good job!
Hooray!
And done.
Done? You did it! Good job! Do you want orange?
Yes, sir. First, I need orange.
Okay, put the orange on.
Oh, this is rainbow.
This is rainbow.
This
Uh-oh.
There's no orange.
It broke.
There's no orange.
Use your muscles!
The orange is coming.
Can I put more orange?
Yes.
Good job, Hero! You want to start painting now?
Yes.
Here's your paintbrush.
Hooray!
Show your friends what you're doing. You're going to mix all the colors?
Yes.
Let's paint.
Okay.
Okay, what color do I have?
Red.
Yeah, I have red.
Hooray!
It's so pretty. Look at it. Yay! You want more?
Yes, I need.
Here, look what I'm doing. Is it pretty?
Yes.
Do you like it?
Yes.
How much do you like it? A lot?
One lot.
A lot. Okay friends, thanks for watching now. Don't forget to tune in to our next video to see our volcano explode.
Bye, we can make it is globe.
Hooray!